this is Jake Makes Things, and today we're going to be taking apart some of these wonderful quick-set doorknobs. I found these in the same bag that I found the deadbolts, and I'd like to get the springs out of them for my next project, which is going to be building a challenge lock. I'm going to need some extra parts, and I really don't want to spend any more money than I already have during this pandemic. So I'm going to try and make my own, which means I need parts from these doorknobs so I can have the ability to mess up a little bit. And I've already tried impressioning a key for these once. My first time impressioning it didn't go very well. And I haven't actually taken apart one of these. I did try hitting it with a hammer, as you can see, and it held up surprisingly well. It's still together. And this is the first time I've done this, so I won't have any sort of script while I'm doing this, so please bear with me. Alright, so while I wait for my normal camera to charge, I figured I'd go about my plan for making this challenge lock. And we have our plan right here. We got pin 1, it's going to be a deep cut serrated pin on the key with a serrated driver pin and just a regular spring. Pin 2 is going to be a deep cut like pin in the key, like pin 1. Do I have a deep cut key? Let's see. If I take a key I just have sitting around here, something like that, where the cut's very deep into the key. Get that out of there. And then we've got a serrated spool on the key pin and a serrated spool on the driver pin, and I'm going to try and double up the springs, and that's just to vary the tension within the lock on the pins themselves, so certain pins will be more springy than others, and that should throw somebody off. Along with all the serrations and the spools. And we got pin 3, which is going to be a shallow cut. And it's just a standard key pin with a double spool on the driver pin and just a single spring. You can kind of see in my crudely drawn sketch here that pins 1 and 2 are much longer than pin 3, and my hope is that pin 2, or pin 3 rather, will kind of hide behind pins 1 and 2 and make it hard to get to pin 3 without accidentally touching 1 or 2 with that pick and losing, possibly bumping them out of set if they are set. Pin 4 is another deep cut pin, serrated spool, and just another serrated spool with double the springs. Then pin 5 is just going to be like a medium length cut, serrated pin, serrated driver pin, double spring, just to close off the back of the lock. You don't want to make it too hard, but I don't want to make it too easy either. So that's why I just medium pin, so it won't hide as much as 3. But it will hide a little. And that might have to change, because if we just look, I have a completely blank key. If we look at, I'm worried that pin 5 may have to, depending on how this keyway works, pin 5 may have to ride the tip of the key. Alright, so now we've got all those cores apart, we got a big mess, we broke a hacksaw blade. It's just been a very interesting time getting these apart. But that is all for this video. This is going to be an editing nightmare, but I will try and get this out as soon as possible, at least into the queue to go out as soon as possible. I have a little bit of a backlog of videos at the moment. But thank you for watching. If you want to see more, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and have a great day.